Hello friends, I am Sovik and welcome to my channel Roy's Quest. And in my previous video, I have shown how to repair the LED bulbs. For that I made one setup, series lamp setup, and I promised you to make that series bulb connection. So in this video I am going to show you how we can make that series bulb connection. So this series lamp connection we can use it for testing whether there is a short circuit or not. In case of motors, pumps, we can easily able to check with this series lamp connection. So it is very useful tool for electricians. And the second thing is that if you don't able to make that thing, then you can easily make one normal bulb holder connection, and you can just short it to check whether the LED is working or not. So I think this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, then please do like, share and comment and subscribe my channel. So without further wasting any time, let's go and check. Now let's come to the series bulb connection, series lamp. This is where we required one 2-pin socket, some wires, one holder and one MCB for the protection. And I have mounted this on a simple plywood board. So I will show you the circuit, but before that I am going to show you how the connection looks. In this 2-pin socket, one wire is coming into this MCB and output is going towards this bulb holder, and wire is directly coming into these 2 points which we use for series connection, like this. This phase and neutral is coming through these 2-pin top, and out of these one wire is connected through this MCB. One wire is coming to this MCB and output is going to this bulb holder, and another output is open for the terminal part, and the second wire from these 2-pin top is this one. So this is very simple and easily you can do it, but before that you have to be very careful. This is the series lamp connection, and for purposely I have done this for this LED bulb repairing, so that we can easily get a stable holding. Okay, so I am fixing this thing. This bulb holder is ready, and now secondly what I am going to do, I am going to fix the cover of this MCB. This MCB for the protection purpose, and this is a 100-watt incandescent lamp or 100-watt bulb. As you can see, this is a 100-watt bulb, and I am going to fix this thing. And now we have given the power. Now see, if we connect this, the light will glow. In this way the series lamp works. Be careful while doing this. Now we are going to switch it off. And this is another bulb holder which we are going to connect. working or not. Giving the power with the help of an wire, I am going to test whether this circuit is working or not. Yeah, it is working. So I am switching off the power and going to fix this thing. And now the thing is that what we are going to do, we are going to fix this bulb here, and the LED which we are going to check like this. Now giving the power, nothing is working. If we short one of these, it will going to work.